Welcome to the Caravaggio Orthotic Clinic. My name is Nick Caravaggio. I'm a Canadian certified podorthist. I run this practice with my dad, Nick Sr., who started this clinic back in 1970. Since then, we have provided orthotic foot care to help treat thousands of patients both locally and throughout the world. We specialize primarily in custom-made foot orthotics that are prescribed by your family physician or healthcare provider. A foot orthotic is a medical device that fits discreetly in your shoe to help support, align, and accommodate your foot and help treat many foot and lower limb conditions. We see people from all walks of life, from young children to adults, seniors, and even athletes. Our facility is equipped with modern computerized video gait analysis software in which we can accurately measure the amount of distortion that resides in the feet and lower limb while performing our biomechanical gait analysis. We use a non-weight bearing casting technique to get an accurate three-dimensional cast of your feet in their neutral position. This method allows the foot and lower limb to be in their correct alignment while we take the plaster cast of your feet. All of our orthotics are manufactured in our on-site laboratory with the most up-to-date methods and materials. We oversee every aspect of the multi-stage manufacturing process to make sure each orthotic is made to your specific needs. So call us today and schedule an appointment and see if orthotics are right for you.